It's go!
Back again already? On episode 3? Man, this YouTube stuff is beginning to be demanding work. Oh well, let me finish my initial deep break and I'll get to you guys in a few minutes. Welcome again to A.S.A.P Garage. We're back in the car with your boy Dro. Just to catch you up to speed on what we've been doing in the previous episode is the interior updates. We installed the Mugen cluster overlay and also the Civic Type R engine start button inside of the trim piece. So now that we have that installed, we're just missing the harness for the Civic Type R button, and we're missing the steering wheel wrap from Audio Interior Technic. This company is hand making the wraps, so it's going to take some time to get to me. Plus, during this time, shipping is a little slow. As you can see, the dashboard is still taken apart, and we have the radio out of its place. That's what we're going to be focusing on today. We're going to update the audio system in this vehicle, so that way we can listen to some tunes while we drive it and get a feel for this vehicle. Please stay tuned. Let's go back to the table and see what we got. All right, so we're back at the table. This is the package that came in today for our audio upgrade from Crutchfield. This company basically has so many audio inventory that is just incredible to shop from. They have very good customer service, and we're going to unbox this today. I'm not going to take you through cutting the tape or anything. We're just going to do some movie magic and ready. And with some movie magic, we have everything unboxed here. And trust me, Crutchfield did an awesome job to basically protect the inventory that was shipped to me with a lot of popcorn pellets inside the box. It was like opening gifts on Christmas morning. So what we have here on the table, we have the Scosche double DIN adapter trim piece that's going to allow us to insert the radio inside of the car. It also comes with the Maestro adapter to allow us to have the controls on the steering wheel work with the new radio. We have the Pioneer speakers that are universal for the front doors and for the rear deck. You need the adapter piece that also comes with the kit. That's going to allow you to basically put these universal speakers into the factory slot. It also comes with some cables that are already soldered and clamped by a service that Crutchfield does for you to save you some time and make this installation a plug-and-play system. It also comes with the AM/FM adapter connector, and just for kicks, I also updated the tweeters inside of the car. It comes with OEM Honda Pioneer tweeters. These tweeters are basically ordered from a dealership. The dealership that I ordered them from is Honda Parts Connection, and the part number is 39120 SHJ A21 for both tweeters. They're made by Pioneer, so I decided to get everything Pioneer. I'm a Pioneer fan. The speakers are from Crutchfield again. The model number is TSG650, and the model number for the double DIN radio, which also allows for CarPlay and Android Auto, is DMH7070NEX. I'll have that in the link below. Let's get this installation started and get you entertained today. All right, so we're back in the car, and we're going to start with the Pioneer tweeters first, since that's an easy installation. Basically, you have to remove this cover piece here, and then it's a plug-and-play system. No screws needed or anything. All you need is a trim removal tool, which we have here. Let me see if it fits in this little bezel piece here. If not, we're going to try a little metal piece. All right, let's try the little metal piece to see if it fits in the slot. No, I got it in the slot. I got to lift it. Once you have it lifted, it's okay. All you got to do is pull, and it comes out pretty easy. It's just a tight space. There we go. And the tweeter is out. We just got to disconnect it. Don't pull it so much or you could break or damage the cable. So let's get that out of the way here. Much tighter area than the passenger side. I did it in the passenger side and it was okay. Let's see here. There we go. Let's get the clip removed now. Okay, it's taking some time. Wow, it is a little tighter on this side. All right, being a YouTuber's fun, already having audio problems, so I'm doing a voiceover. What I'm showing you here is that placing the tweeter back into the tweeter cover is easy. Just use the gap to align the connector and the tabs all around the tweeter cover. It's pretty easy. That's the easy part. The hard part is connecting the connector to the tweeter and then placing the tweeter cover with the tweeter back into the dashboard. Don't pull on the tweeter cover so much because you may damage it or break it. Make sure that your tabs align. Here I'm using basically 2 fingers each hand because of the angle that the windshield goes down to doesn't allow you to fit a full hand. Make sure that you put the cables back down, route it back into the dashboard, and the tabs all align. It's really an easy thing, but it's annoying. So just be patient and you'll get it right. Trust me. Once you're done, you'll see that everything is flush. Give it one more push down and you'll be fine. Nope. The mic is still not on, still having issues. Basically, what I'm trying to tell you here is that to get to the driver's side speaker, you have to remove the driver's side door panel. And to get the speaker installed, it's easier if you put the speaker and the adapter together before mounting it on the car. You want to align the speaker with the main hole of the adapter that's going to go into the door, and then you want to screw in the speaker to the adapter. That's the easiest way to do it. I did it with the passenger side and had no troubles on there. Now, for the next step that you're going to do is, again, we're going to remove the driver's side door panel. To remove the driver's side door panel, you want to go under the door latch and remove the cover, which is going to expose a screw and a push pin. After this, you want to remove the driver door controls, and under there, you're going to have one more screw. After this, it's just pulling the door panel and the clips come out. I'm going to fast forward this. All right, so now we have this naked door without the panel. And what we're going to do, we're going to install our aftermarket Pioneer speaker in this factory hole here. You're going to align the 2 tabs that comes with the speaker adapter of the new Pioneer speaker into these 2 holes here. And then you're connecting the adapter for the speaker, for the aftermarket speaker, so that way it's plug and play and connects to your factory connector here. And that's what gives the power and ground for the speaker. Like I said before, I would like you guys to install the speaker adapter to the speaker first, and then align the main hole for the speaker screw that's going to connect the adapter and the speaker to the door. That's going to be the easiest way. That's the way I did it in the passenger side, and it worked for me. So we're going to do that now. Let's connect the positive and negative cable for the power. This only go in one way. The black cable is the ground, and the white one is the positive cable. Make sure you get a good connection. Come on, let's see. Do that again. I got that in there, and the other one. Do it one more time, and that's connected. So that's what it's supposed to look like, and it's pretty easy. You're just going to connect it here to the factory connector. And it clipped perfectly, and then you're just going to align the tabs with the holes on the door. And voila, now we have that there. We're going to grab the main screw that's going to align the speaker adapter speaker to the door and screw that in a little bit. We should be able to just quickly get that in there. All right. Make sure this one is also snugged. And you're all set. It shouldn't move from there. And that could give us a nice sound for later on when we turn on the tunes. All right. So let's start putting things back together. I am not putting the panel back because we still got to do some work. As you can see, my door automatically shuts on me because the door, I think they're called actuator lock. I'm not sure what they're called, but they are not holding anymore. So we're going to leave the panel off so we can start addressing that. Let's get back to the rear speakers.